Right, if you watched the video before this, I just went and bought 9,000 options in Meta. Right. Don't buy it because of this. Don't buy this trade because you'll lose money if you don't know how to trade this much. This is options. Just think of this options as a Tesla car. Basically, it goes as fast in reverse as it does forward. If you see that now, if that's going to short, that'll lose a lot of money. I'm only in it because I think it will go higher. I did say in my previous video that I think when it was at 100%, 96%, I did say that it would go to, I think, go to 200% plus. And this is still early, so I think it could go to probably 300 plus. But don't take my word for it, you'll lose money. Yeah, because it's going to short now, look at it. So, well, it may short. So, but that's basically, I'm trading off a £40,000 day trading balance practice account, so I don't lose any money either way, yeah? That's just the volume there, it's just me actually putting the screen back on because the screen went off. So it went up to 7,000 a minute ago, but that's making off a £40,000 budget trading balance, that's 9,000 options, and that's made 6 grand in about 45 minutes, right? And if that's going to go north, which it might do, this could quite easily go to 300%, but I'm not losing any money if it doesn't. But if you were trading this with real money, you'd lose money, real money. I'm in a practice account, which means I can't lose, doesn't matter what it does. But I just think it's probably going to go to about 300%. And if not, I reckon it could probably go to 400% because of the price. The price is £2.90, $2.90, where it is. So the price is right, the volume of options is right. I've got 9,000 options. This is Meta, which owns Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. So it's a big market cap stock. The company's worth nearly $1 trillion. Just type in Meta market cap into Google. So it's a large market cap stock. I've got enough volume of it. I've got the right balance, a decent balance of 40 grand. And I've got enough options, which is 9,000 options, and I'm going the right way, which is long, in my opinion. Obviously, it could short and go pear-shaped, but if that was the case, I would just bank that and then go short on it anyway. But this is just how I see it. Yeah, hopefully that you learn something from this. Like I was making, if you look at the blue bar, where the opening rate is there, basically it would have to short below that for me to lose money. So basically I would have closed the trade long before it ever got there. And if it went short, see this trade now is a Meta call. It's an option call, right? It's a March option call. So it's got about another 10 days in the trade or whatever, yeah. So I could probably just stay in this right here. That's just me touching the screen. I could probably stay in this another 10 days and just stay long, because the chances of this stock still being at 290 in 10 days time, it would be quite remote. But if it's going to go north like that, this could probably do 10 to 15 grand on this stock this afternoon. So that's buying it today and selling it in about 2 or 3 hours time, or probably staying in it for the afternoon, depending on how it pans out. See this, it's jumping up a couple of hundred a time. It's jumping up at £230 per. You have to excuse the background noise because there's multiple people talking at the same time. Obviously, I can't do anything about that. But this is the stock. It's the 3rd of March, 2023, and this is how I trade the stock market. So I'm on 9,000 options with no stop loss, because I can press that. If you look at where it says the buy and the £7,600, there's an X button there. All I've got to do is press the X button and close the trade within about a minute, which means I wouldn't lose money. And I'm just trying to. So the VWAP's on now. I've got VWAP and Bollinger Bands on. There you go. So if that carries on going, which it should do now, I don't know. I don't really care what it does because I'm in it for another hour or so. So it was my previous video. It was on for 90. It was on 96%, 100%, right? And it's now up to 229. I reckon it'll do 440, 400% probably. I reckon it'll do that. That's just me guessing. Yeah, obviously I don't know. Which would you will anyone watching this trade will just see it. If you're in this trade, you'll just see what it does. And if once it starts shorting, I will probably close the trade. I don't know if I will, because I think it's still going to go to 300 plus, 300% plus. So I was, even if it shorts, like I was in this trade here, where it goes at open rate, with the bird's beak. That's a bird, yeah, bird's beak. Yeah, at the opening rate, when it started to short, and I went long. I bought it long when it started to short, and it went long as it's going long now. Yeah. So even if it started to short, even like there, it started to short, but it's just too strong a stop, and the price is just the right price, volume of option in this particular stock. I haven't got a stop loss on because I think it's going to do about 400%, and I'm watching it now. And even if it shorts even if I lose 3 or 4 grand, I will still stay long because I still think during the course of the afternoon it's going to go long, going to carry on going long. It's just my hunch. Do not buy this trade because of this video, because by the time you watch this video, this trade is long gone. Yeah. And you may start, you almost certainly will lose money by doing so. And this is just me showing you how I trade the stock market. Trading, this is an option trade, so I've got margin on this as well, and I'm just actually riding the trade, seeing where it goes to. See, it started to short again, but it's going long again. So you could see that, a person could see that even like that, where that to the left of the screen, when it started to go, it went 4 red bars down. Yeah? So people would have actually closed it there and then started to short it there and lost money because it went long from there and they'd lost money. I'm just staying in this now to see what it goes for. It's now 15:47, which the stock markets have only been open for an hour and a half, so it's only just we're still in market open till about 4 o'clock, first 90 minutes. And it may do more than this. So I reckon just a hunch, I reckon it'll do 400%. That's the battery or notification battery. Yeah. But even like that, I'm still staying in it long. Yeah. I don't care if it goes down to 4,000 or whatever, because it's got to go from where it is now, that red bar, all the way around to that, down to that blue bar, that blue indicator on the right left, yeah, the right, bottom right, before I lose money. So I'll stay in this, even though it's shorting now. I'm still going to stay in it because I still think during the course of the next 3 to 4 hours it will go higher than where it is at now. Just my hunch. I could be so wrong.